Time to harvest, Ducky, our best beans.
Quack!
Whoa!
Steady, old girl.
We'll pick these rows first, then those. Quick and careful.
Quack? Look, Ducky, so many good beans.
Fresh beans.
Just a leaf, Ducky. Keep an eye out for pests.
Mine.
Huh? Didn't I?
All done. A perfect harvest. Gotcha. Hey! My beans! Thief! Catch me if you can! Not getting away that easily. My beans, Sly. Give 'em back. Never. Take that. Oh, Sly. See ya, chump. No use crying over spilled beans, Ducky. Let's get 'em. Almost home, little partner.
Good morning, Ducky. Time for chores. Growing strong.
Ducky, something's not right, Ducky.
Come on, Ducky. Someone needs help.
Oh no! Look, Ducky! Big help.
Back to the farm. We need the tractor.
Time for action! Vroom, vroom!
All aboard, Ducky. Rescue mission.
Vroom, vroom! Here we go! Faster, faster! Hello there, little one. We're here. Oh, you're so thirsty. Must get water. Quick, Ducky, to the stream.
Now for the water.
Easy does it, so clear.
Come in, little one. Water's here. Here you go, little friend. Drink up. Hooray! You're all better now.
Yay! Go, little calf, go!
Another good deed, Ducky. Home swelled home. Chirp. Good morning, Ducky. Another beautiful farm day. Quack, quack, quack.
I wonder how our new calves are doing today, Ducky. The excavator. Of course, that's it. This'll do it. We'll scoop it out. Come on, old friend. We need you. Slow and steady, Ducky. We're almost there. Okay, little one, don't worry. Max is here.
Easy does it. We don't want to scare you.
Chirp, chirp. It's okay, little one. I'm here to help. Yes, free him. But it still needs help.
Help you stand.
See, Ducky? All safe and sound now. Quack, quack. There you go, little one. Back to your mommy.
Another job well done, my friend.
Time for a well-deserved rest, don't you think, Ducky?
Even after a big rescue, the farm always has beauty to offer.
Every animal cared for, Ducky. That's what a farmer does.
Chirp! Thanks for visiting our farm.
Quack, quack.